Homemade Bahraini Chicken Machboos recipe, Ramadan special, affordable for beginners. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, a delicious and authentic Bahraini dish, chicken machboos, perfect for Ramadan. It's not only a flavorful and hearty meal but also budget-friendly, making it ideal for beginners. I'm excited to guide you through the step-by-step process of making this Ramadan special. So, let's start it. Before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel button and ring the bell to stay updated with our mouth-watering recipes. Now, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for homemade Bahraini chicken machboos. Here's the list of ingredients. 2 cups basmati rice. 500 grams chicken, cut into pieces. 2 large onions, finely chopped. 3 tomatoes, diced. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon ginger, grated. 2 green chilies, chopped. 1 cup carrots, diced. 1 cup potatoes, diced. 1 cup frozen peas. 1/4 cup vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons baharat spice mix. 1 tablespoon ground cumin. 1 tablespoon ground coriander. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Salt to taste. 4 cups chicken broth. Fresh coriander for garnish. Lemon wedges for serving. Preparation, Part 1, Marinating the chicken. The first step is marinating the chicken to infuse it with incredible flavors. In a large bowl, combine the chicken pieces with baharat spice mix, ground cumin, ground coriander, turmeric powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix it thoroughly, ensuring each piece is coated evenly. Cover the bowl and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, allowing the spices to penetrate the chicken. Preparation, Part 2, Cooking the chicken. In a large pot, heat vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté until they become golden brown. Now, add minced garlic, grated ginger, and green chilies. Stir well and let the aromas fill your kitchen. Once the onions are aromatic and golden, add the marinated chicken to the pot. Cook until the chicken is browned on all sides, locking in those incredible flavors. Now, toss in the diced tomatoes and cook until they soften and release their juices. Sprinkle a bit more of the baharat spice mix, cumin, coriander, turmeric, and cinnamon powder. Adjust the salt according to your taste. Give it a good mix and let the spices meld with the chicken. Preparation, Part 3, Cooking the rice. While our chicken is simmering, let's move on to preparing the rice. Rinse 2 cups of basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This step removes excess starch, preventing the rice from becoming too sticky. In a separate pot, bring water to a boil. Add a pinch of salt and the rinsed rice. Cook the rice until it's 70% done. We want it slightly undercooked as it will finish cooking with the chicken later. Preparation, Part 4, Adding vegetables and rice to chicken. Now that our chicken is tender, let's add the vegetables. Toss in the diced carrots, potatoes, and frozen peas. Mix them well with the chicken, ensuring everything is evenly distributed. Cover the pot tightly and let it simmer on low heat until the rice is fully cooked and has absorbed all the aromatic goodness from the chicken and spices. And there you have it, our homemade Bahraini chicken machboos is ready. Garnish with fresh coriander and serve with lemon wedges on the side. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. I hope you enjoyed making this Ramadan special dish with me. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And of course, subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. Ramadan Mubarak. and happy cooking. Thank you very much Ramadan special dish Bahraini chicken mashboos lovers.